What's going on, man? It says Workout Complex with another banger here. We live. We about to have some fun. Hey, y'all coming in the building, make sure y'all hit a live for me. Let me know where y'all coming from. Analytics are going crazy right now. We in United Kingdom. We in Taiwan. We is in South America. We in Africa. We is everywhere, man. I appreciate everybody tuning in to my videos, shorts, and lives. Especially lives, because I can be able to, interact with you guys live. I answer my phone a lot on there because I'm working out, and you should be too. We're going to get it in another full body workout today. Let me make sure the timer's on. I like to time every one of my workouts. Make sure, I'm progressing every single time. So today, we're going to have some fun. We're going to up it up. It's more advanced, man. We're going to mess around with some muscle ups today. I know it's a fan favorite. And when you get into calisthenics, your number one thing is you want to go ahead and get a muscle up in. So we're going to do a few of them. We're going to have some fun. I ain't done them in a long time, but I still know what I'm doing. Still strong with it. We got to warm up this body. We got 3 sets of them burpees. We do it kind of jail style. No jump. We hitting bam. Making that core strong. Bam. Hitting right in that core. Touching them toes. Then you're going down for that push-up. We're going to do 3 sets. 30 seconds in between. And we're doing only 5 of them. Let's go ahead and get it in. Feel like if y'all coming through the building, y'all feeling a workout with me, hey, let's have some fun. Set 1. Boom. That's 2. Boom. 3. Boom. 4. Boom. Nice and smooth. Not too bad. I like how those go because you got to make sure that core is tight. You have to squeeze it. I'm letting you know, boom, squeezing it. Because even though the burpee is a full body workout, I like to come down, make sure everything is tight, make sure that core is good because it's essential in calisthenics that you have a strong core. You got to be able to hold yourself up on every single workout with your core. You got to have a strong grip, strong forearms. That's why I love doing these. Let's get another set. 30 seconds is up. Set 2. Boom. Oh. Hey. 2 more. Whoa. Yep. Feel good. Sometimes we might be able to do 1 more. Cause it just feels good to do maybe 6 sometimes. But we keep on rolling. Get a like for the algorithm. Nice little smooth day. I got the shorts on today. Nice little smooth day today. Here in the USA. We down south. Feel like. We got 3, 2, 1 coming up. Last one. Let's get it. Last one, gonna move on. Whoa. Oh. 3. 4. About a minute and a half. We'll roll again. We gotta get this word in for the day.